Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to see liked videos on Snapchat. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So, first we need to go to Snapchat. After that we need to go to video. And let's put your like. After that, go back and go to our account here. After that, scroll down and here near my favorites, click view all. And here you can find liked video on Snapchat. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.